Vivo Y11. Charging problem. It seems hard to get charge. We need to fix it. Remove SIM tray. Remove back cover. Unplug the fingerprint. Remove mainboard cover screw. Remove mainboard cover. Unplug the battery at first. Unscrew charging board cover. Remove charging board cover. Transfer the charging pin and earphone jack rubber. Transfer to the new charging board accordingly. Install the charging board. Connect the UI flex cable and antenna ribbon on the charging board. Put on charging board cover. Screw charging board cover. Plug in the battery. Screw mainboard cover. And install fingerprint ribbon and backover. It's done. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.